guys? Welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is the second video in my little Christmas special. So, Christmas System Test 2. Today is, when it pops up, Tuesday, December 22nd. So, we have my Halon pole station, I don't know the model number. I always forget this model number. I actually don't know model numbers, if you guys don't. I didn't take the time to learn them, because there's too many model numbers to remember. Anyway, so we got my Amber Alert Genesis remote strobe. Y'all have not seen this one in a while. We got the i3 and the HR over there. Okay. So, let's just activate the alarm. But before I pull the alarm, don't pull fire alarms from real buildings, because that's a really bad thing to do. And don't tamper with equipment. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. So that's loud. Alright, so let's do the smoke detector. 3. I don't want to do a countdown. Okay, so I need to reset the pole station. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's totally tightened so it's hopefully it doesn't go off. But no, I think that's everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.